Hey guys, so I'm back with another video. This is my boyfriend Dean, and he's gonna be doing my makeup today. Should I tell you like what you have to do? Or like, do you know?
Not really, but isn't that the point for me to just like do it?
Yeah, but like you need like some guidance, right? Or just like none at all? Do you not want any? Mm-hmm. Just ask me like where something is and I'll tell you.
Can you just lay out the stuff that I'm gonna use?
Okay, let's like everything go. So I'm setting out the most used foundations by me for him, but you might want to start with a primer. But I don't want to tell you that, but like you don't know that, so. Okay, I'm gonna tie my hair back. I'm scared. Whenever you're ready.
I'm not gonna do any lashes.
Okay, it's your choice. Are you gonna use a primer?
No, just straight into this.
Okay, put it up to the camera. No, and show them like the label. Okay.
Your hair is like in the way. I actually need to wait to get your hair out of the way.
Yeah, I can just hold it if you want. You can get it on my baby hairs. It's okay. Just try.
I'll make a pattern with this stuff.
I'm not gonna look in the viewfinder the whole time.
You ever do it over your eyebrows?
Mm-mm.
I mean, I know you don't, but.
You're like squeezing my head.
Like that?
Mm-hmm.
I don't think I need to really put this on your whole face.
Okay. Are you still putting more though?
Yeah.
It feels like to me like you're done.
Use so many of these.
Yeah.
And some chapstick.
You going straight for eyeshadow?
Yeah.
You don't want to like prime my eyes at all, or do you?
Obviously not.
You're so focused on the foundation, but you won't put anything else on my face.
I don't even know what primer is though. Like.
I mean, primer is just what you put on before,
So
like something else.
Now, then?
Primer for my eyes before eyeshadow.
Why then?
Because it makes it show up better and it makes it like stick.
Alright, sure.
These are all options for eyeshadow primer. Okay? I'm setting them out for you, like you asked.
Honestly, this looks like a product by itself a little bit.
What?
This looks like a product by itself a little bit.
It is a product, what do you mean?
Like, but it's supposed to just like work for the other stuff.
Oh, you think like this could be a look by itself?
Yeah.
You can use that. You can use a James Charles palette.
Oh yeah, let me use that James Charles palette. I can tell you've never used this one, or
I
this
have.
one, or this one, or this one.
I have used all of those.
Look like that. You never used that one. Untouched. Or that one.
It's true. Okay, but
If I use one you'd never used before.
Okay.
Or what if I use a multiple?
You're allowed to do that. Oh, shit. Okay, wait. Show them what color you're going in for. Like on the palette. Okay.
Alright, close your eyes.
Closed. White eyeshadows usually aren't like
Yeah, it doesn't look
very
that
pigmented.
it doesn't look that like that much of anything. Wait, no, I'm gonna use a different color on your other side. This one's about to look like way more
Yeah.
pigmented than that white one. Dust is flying everywhere.
That's a really bad brush, but you can use it if you want. It's really annoying. I hate it.
Does anybody ever do it under the eye? Okay.
Wait, do you want me to give you a tip?
No.
Might solve one of your problems.
It's like on this side, it's like not really sticking that much.
Yeah, because you're using a blending brush to pack in color, so.
Yeah,
the fuck are you doing? I can feel it on my eyebrow. Are the eyes done?
No.
There's still so many steps of the makeup routine. You skipped like 8 of them.
That's debatable.
Okay.
On the left one, I've just been like mixing all the colors, so I just want to find one that's like actually noticeable here, and then we'll just see. I might just
The red is really noticeable.
Okay, let's do that.
And you can go firmer on mine. I'm scared. Why are you going under my eye? With the red eyeshadow. I know it looks sick. I don't like this. Can you do something else? Can you?
I like it. This is dry pink. I want to see if it goes off on your eyebrow.
Pink eyebrows? I like it. It's like a Jeffree Star moment.
Yeah, basically. It's not really. It didn't really change much.
You just like press it onto my eyebrow.
Oh wait, yeah, it's sticking, but like it's going other places too.
Yeah, because it's kind of a lot of shadow.
Except if I could, I would have chosen a different color for your eyebrows than pink.
What? I'm scared. I don't know what this looks like.
Thrax.
Is there like a lot of color in my eyes right now? Like,
Kind of. Like, okay, wait, can I see? Okay.
black is like really black, so like just please be. But if you want to cover this, you can use concealer.
I'm tired.
I know, but you have to keep going.
Here, wait, where's the concealer?
These are all concealers, except this.
Okay, do I just put the, how do I put this on? My
Well,
hand?
No, you can just put it straight on with the applicator.
It's not really that good at concealing.
You have to blend it in
How?
with the sponge.
I mean, like, there's not really much else to do.
There's so many things you can do. You can do bronzer, like face stuff. You can contour my face.
Yeah, I'll do that. At the end of the video, you should do how you always do, where you're like,
Yeah, I will. You can use this or this, or this. These are good contour brushes. Or this, which is, I never use, but it's really cute to have fun with it.
yeah, I'll use it. It looks
Show
weird.
it on camera.
Okay.
So I'm gonna use the most.
And then I put it in there, right? I feel like this brush would not be good for it,
Yeah.
but whatever.
Maybe like more about like my cheekbones.
It's like upper more.
Like more back.
Oh.
This is the highlighter we're using today.
It's not like coming off. Like, real life not coming off.
Okay, I mean there's probably enough on there. Feels like there is, but okay. Do you want to do mascara or eyeliner?
What is mascara again?
It's like what you put on your eyelashes. So
I'll do that. I don't want to do too much of this. I'm just gonna do a little bit. You know. That's like already too much. Like I can see. I don't like.
you don't like it?
No. Can you undo it?
No. I mean you can use another. Here,
I want one that's
you
like
can
less
use-
thick
This is
than
dry. You can use this to brush it out.
Okay.
Get it out. I don't know if I've ever had someone else put on my mascara. I can't do this. Okay. I can't open my eyes. I'll try. Oh, you're gonna poke me in the eye.
Your eyes are spazzing out.
Because you're gonna poke me in the eye. You already
I'm
poked
gonna
me in the
poke
eye
your
like
eye
7
because
times.
your eyes
Okay.
spazzing out.
Okay, I'm gonna keep my eyes still.
Okay.
It's involuntary.
I know. I might just have to like leave the eyelashes beady because of this.
Beady? They're beady?
I can't do it.
Do you want to do lipstick now?
Sure. I feel like if I do lipstick, I just want to do like light lipstick, like not like that, like heavy, like you know.
Like a lip gloss? Do you want to do?
Yeah.
Can you see me in the viewfinder?
Yeah.
all done? Can I look at it?
Yeah.
Can I look in the mirror? Wow.
Hey.
I like it. It's like artistic. You can actually, like, my eyebrows are actually pretty pink.
Yeah.
The contour is really heavy. And also, there's so much highlight on this side.
Wait, I can.
You
blend it.
acted
Let
like
me
there was
blend it.
nothing on this. Oh god. There's so much highlighter. You said you couldn't even see it.
I couldn't because your face is in the light on the other side and it's
Oh
not
my god,
over
I
here.
knew there was gonna be so much because you kept putting it on.
There's like not enough light on this side for it to glitter off of.
Also, the sponge, like, you're supposed to go like this, like bounce it,
Oh.
but you just swipe it. So I don't know what that
Oh.
did, but I mean, it doesn't, like, my skin doesn't look that bad.
It looks good in the picture.
Oh, model. Looks like I got beat up. Hi sisters, it's me, Bella May, back at it again with a new video. Thanks for watching, and hope you guys have a great 2019.